Today in this video I am going to talk about the Billionaire Brainwave program. How does it work? How it will help you to manifest your wealth? Each and everything I am going to talk in great detail. I am also going to announce some important alerts regarding this program, so watch till the end. The Billionaire Brainwave program is an advanced 7-minute sound wave program that triggers the hippocampus to grow the healthy. This program is based on the recently leaked information in the CIA regarding the unique brainwave frequencies. This unique brainwave sound frequency was developed based on the discovery led by the group of neuroscientists who used brainwave technologies in order to analyze the hippocampal growth, often referred to as the brain's power source. This program helps to activate the power source in the brain. The Billionaire Brainwave creator suggests that listening to the sound of frequency properly for stimulating the brainwave is beneficial. The Billionaire Brainwave 7-minute audio track program is only available on its official website. So don't think that it is on any other website. To help you out, I have the link in the description box below of this video, so you can go over there and you can purchase from over there. It comes with the unique bonuses and an abundance of knowledge regarding money, lifestyle and many other things. This system is protected by 100% money back guarantee policy that is ready to be claimed if it doesn't work. Now let's see, how does the Billionaire Brainwave attracts the wealth. The Billionaire Brainwave theta based frequencies works by stimulating the growth of hippocampus located in the brain. Studies reveal that shrunken hippocampus is the root cause of limiting the bright opportunities. Usually the brain emits two waves, beta and theta waves. The beta wave is known for the slave waves that attacks stress, bad luck and lack of awareness about the surrounding. A heavy load of this wave matter causes the brain to function effectively and shrinks the size of the hippocampus, whereas the theta waves are completely opposite of the beta waves. Theta waves help to manifest the functioning of the brain. However, a smaller hippocampus usually gets smaller theta waves. Therefore, the Billionaire Brainwave money attracting program is altered to the right frequency to expand the growth of the hippocampus to obtain more theta waves. These sound waves also stimulate the theta waves activity in the brain. Now let's take a look at what's included in the Billionaire Brainwave program. To see for the components, the Billionaire Brainwave digital manifestation comes with the main product along with the 4 additional bonuses. The main part of this program is the 7-minute audio that is generated from the recent discovery to increase the theta waves in the brain. The Billionaire Brainwave audio frequency comes in 2 formats, a physical disc and a digital version. The creator made this for both type of customers who are old school and who are the model generation. In this way, all the generations can enhance their brain functioning and gain an abundance of knowledge, resulting in the wealth. The Billionaire Brainwave program bonuses are provided as a gift to help guide the customers in the right way of making wealth. It helps to gain healthy habits that lead to the positive opportunities. Now, what are you waiting for? You can just click the link in the description box below and you will be redirected to the official website, so you can enroll in this program on the official website. And if you still have any doubts regarding this program, you can just comment down below and also tell me how did you feel about the today's video. Was it helpful or not?